One day, two brothers talking through a phone. One brother says, I need you to come to my house to help me. The other brother says, sorry bro, I can't. I'm buying clothes. The other brother asks, Are you done yet? The other brother answers, no, I still need to find the clothes aisle. Don't know if it's spelled right. Okay, on which aisle are you? I'm in the soup aisle. Then get out of the soup aisle, okay? Are you out of the soup aisle, yes? Yes. What do you see? Soup. I thought that you were out of the soup aisle. I am. Then why do you still see soup? I don't know, man. And what store are you in? I'm in the soup store. Why are you buying clothes at the soup store? Nah, man, I'm playing. I'm outside your home. Open the door. Best text ever.